Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to Brian's Badass Reviews. That's me, I am Brian. On this channel, I like to show you some cool stuff that I might think you like. Today I got an interesting one. I'm working on growing this new beard and it's starting to get to a length that I'm kind of starting to like. It's getting to where I kind of need to manage it. I need to comb it, I need to put the balm in, I need to put the butter. And you guys that follow my channel know that I've been doing that all the time. I do a bunch of product reviews, stuff like that. You guys know that. But what I have not tried yet, and I've seen a lot of other people doing, I don't know if it's fad, it's just something I never even thought I would ever do. I went out and I got myself a beard straightener. I've seen my wife use a hair straightener. I've seen my daughters use hair straighteners, and now I'm using a hair straightener. But for my beard, let's talk about it. Kick the intro! Hey, if you guys are new to the channel, I hope you do me a favor and consider subscribing down below. You just hit that big red button. Hit that bell notification. It'll tell you when I got new videos coming out, and I got new videos coming out every freaking week. If you guys are digging what's going on in these videos, don't hesitate to hit that pause button. At any time, go down and hit that like button and drop me a comment. Channel business out the way. All right, guys, so here it is. 42-year-old man with a hair straightener. So I've been on this beard journey for a while now, and I've tried just about everything. I'm doing the supplements, I'm doing the balms, the butters, the oils, just all kinds of stuff to try to get my follically challenged face to grow some beard hair. And now I'm finally getting to the point where I feel like I'm actually getting a little bit of length. Now, it's not a ton. Some of you guys are out there laughing right now, I get it. But what I've noticed happening since I shaved my beard all off and now it's growing back, I'm getting these weird kind of curls and I'm getting a lot more flyaways. And the balms and the pomades and the stuff like that, they're not quite doing the trick for me. So I thought, you know what? I've seen a bunch of other dudes doing it, so I'm gonna do it too. And I went out and I got myself a beard straightener. Now there's all kinds of beard straighteners on the market. There's the Kuschelbar and there's a bunch of stuff on Amazon that you can find, and you can pay anywhere from $20 to $100 when you get yourself a beard straightener. And I'm gonna give you guys a little tip right now. If you guys haven't checked out BeardTube, Scuba has awesome content on there for one, but he has a really good video on beard straighteners where he literally takes a bunch of different beard straighteners that he got and he rips them apart, and he shows that every one of these things is pretty much made up of the same exact thing. So this right here is my daughter's hair straightener. My wife got this off of Amazon for about $25, right? Now, it works perfect for her. She's got very long hair. It's somewhat wavy. She uses it, straightens it out. 25 bucks, Amazon, boom, right here. So I was looking for something maybe not quite as big. If I had a longer beard, I could see myself using this, but I don't. I have a short beard. I have what you might call a business beard, right? So I went on the old interwebs there, and I did go to Amazon, and I found this company called Tame the Wild. Thought, hey, that's pretty cool. It's orange and black. My Harley Davidson colors are orange and black. It was pretty much freaking calling out my name. So $32.95, I went, put her in the old shopping cart there, hit the order button, the Prime guy came, they sent it to me, busted it out of the package, went right into the bathroom, and I started using it. Now I did go out and I got some of the heat spray protectant. Most of it's all the same. I think I paid about $4 from this. This is L'Oreal. I know a bunch of different beard companies have this on their websites. I've seen it range anywhere from $4 up to $20. This was $4 for a 5.7 ounce container of it. Most of these have some argan oil in there, which is a really good oil for our skin anyways. So I highly recommend, if you're gonna do the beard straightening, to get yourself some of this heat protectant spray. Your beard, I think, can handle up to about 410 degrees, maybe a little bit more than that. This beard brush goes up to 450 degrees. It's got 3 different settings on it. So let me take you back and I'll show you exactly how this thing works. Let's take a little trip to the Brian's Badass bathroom. It's just a bathroom. It's not that badass. So as you guys can see here, I've got the beard brush. It's pretty nice, it's pretty thin, it's pretty sleek. You just press the button here, hold it down, that'll turn it on. And what you can do is you can bump it up for each level. It's got 3 different settings. Now, the settings range from 250 degrees to 450 degrees. There's a close-up of the spray. Getting it on the old face there. You don't have to do it too much, just get it nice and damp there. And you can see right there how I got these flyaways, and they freaking drive me crazy, and I can run a brush, I can run a comb and try to get them down, and they're just going wild on me. So I figured I'd tame that wild. Now if you guys can see the kind of angle that I'm starting off with when I'm doing the brush through the beard there is I'm kind of going down the side of my face instead of going straight down first, I go to the side. Right here, you'll see it. I'm kind of going to the side, and then I go down. So what that does is it kind of creates an ironing board. You know, otherwise you're kind of just going down, kind of like at the bottom of the chin right there. You can see that I'm not really straightening it down on anything. So on my cheeks, I use it on the side of the face, and then I go down with it. Kind of get the stash there a little bit. You can see already that it's kind of working. Takes a little bit of time, guys. Let it heat up. Let that brush heat up. Now I use it on the highest level. Again, making sure I got a lot of heat resistant spray in there. And then side to side and then down like that. And you can see that those little flyaways that I started with are already starting to kind of go away. Get through the whole beard there. Take your time. Run it nice and slow through the beard. Get the stash there a little bit. And back to the side there. That's the problem. That's the area that I really have problems with right there. It's always poofing out on me. And it's weird because the first time that I grew the beard in my first year's journey, before I was stupid and shaved it all off, I never had that problem there. And then it's weird with this time, it's doing that. Now I thought about trimming it, kind of trimming up some of those flyaways, but I have a strict policy of not trimming this beard at all. I'm just gonna let it grow. So hopefully what'll happen is those little flyaways will eventually get long enough where gravity will just do its work and kind of pull it down. So there it is, guys. That's a big difference from beginning to end. And then what I like to do is I'm gonna put a little product in. Anytime you're running this heat through your beard like that, you wanna come back and you wanna get some oil in the beard. Hitting myself up with a little of that beard octane, that delicious beard octane. Check those guys out if you haven't. They have awesome products on there. Really been into their stuff lately. So I'm doing a good job of kind of scratching it into the beard and really getting it deep into the skin there. And then I'm gonna follow it up with a little bit of beard balm. Beard octane hit me up. They sent me a free can of this Mechanics beard balm, and it works really nice, guys. And you can see that once I get it all in, I get the beard oil in there, and then I get the beard balm in there. You can see how it just lays down real nice. I'm gonna follow it up. I'm gonna do a nice comb through. This is gonna get everything nice and straight. I'm doing this with just a regular wood comb. And then I will come back, and right now I'm using this boar's hair brush. And what that does is it kind of just does a nice job of getting everything that's kind of still hanging out, getting it back in there. So I'm super impressed with this beard straightener, guys. A little bit about Tame the Wild, the company. Now I went on their website and I wasn't expecting a whole lot, right? I didn't know if this was just a gimmicky thing. It is. I did find it on Amazon. And I was kind of surprised by their website. They have a blog on there that has a ton of good articles. You can tell these guys are really serious about beard health. And they have a bunch of articles on there on how to maintain the beard, what's good for the beard, what's not good for the beard. And I'll be honest, I wasn't expecting to see that on there. So pretty cool. These guys have a bunch of other products. This is called the Easy Glide beard brush. They also have the Ionic beard brush, which is similar to this. It's probably about the same size. I don't know if you guys can tell the difference there. They do have their own heat spray, which I think runs about 20 bucks. I'm gonna stick with the $4 heat spray. And they got the swag, they've got soaps that you can use, and they have certain bundle kits that you can kind of put together that has a little bit of everything in it. So pretty cool. I recommend checking out their website. For 32 bucks, I think I found myself a pretty good deal here. The brush itself, it's got an insulated handle on it. Teeth on it are anti-scalding. This thing does get hot. One thing I would say, if you have the brush and you turn it and you're kind of trying to get the edge of the bristles, this heating element right here can get a little bit hot, so be careful with that. But as far as the bristles, you don't even really feel the heat as you're coming through, but you can tell it's working because you'll see the steam coming up from the spray that you put in. And a cool thing about these bristles is that the heat comes from inside the tines and not on the tip, so you don't have to worry about burning yourself as you're coming through, right? If you forget to unplug this thing and you leave it turned on because you're in a rush to get to work or whatever, it's got a 30-minute safety feature that will shut off after 30 minutes, so that's pretty cool. Don't have to worry about burning your house down. Another thing about it is the cable is very long. so you can plug it in. It gives you plenty of distance. It's not cordless or anything fancy like that, but it's got a swivel right here, so as you're kind of going through, it swivels. You're not getting tangled up. You can see I can go like this, and it works really well, guys. I gotta tell you, super impressed. Tame the Wild, good job. So far, so good. Hopefully it stands the test of time. We'll see how long this thing lasts. But highly recommend it, guys. Go check it out. Let me know in the comments down below, guys. Are you using a straightener on your beard? Is this something that you think you guys would try? Is there anything that you guys think I did wrong, or is there anything I missed with this? Let me know down in the comments, guys. Do me a favor, if you got some time, don't forget to check out the other videos on the site. I got a ton on the beard series and music reviews and around the house kind of stuff, just all kinds of stuff, guys. So thanks so much if you stuck around this far. Don't forget to hit that like button, hit the subscribe button. That's all I got for the review today, guys. You know what I like to say, you gotta be kind to each other. You gotta do what makes you happy. That's it for me. I'll catch you on the next one. I'm out. Peace.